What was the experiment that you wanted to try?
I wanted to try putting a lot of dry ice on one apple that we are not going to eat. We would probably throw away it. And I'm going to see how cold it is, and I'm going to smash it on the ground.
All right, let's go.
And you can see that cut, so it's technically... I'm going to see if we can smash it.
Okay, not...
hard.
Oh, it didn't shatter like you wanted to. It wasn't liquid nitrogen, but...
Put it back in there for a couple seconds.
Let's put it back in.
Yeah. So plan A did not work. So we're doing plan B. And plan B is technically we're actually going to wait a couple more seconds. And
You put it back in the dry ice?
yes, I put it back. But this time I might add just a little, like not a lot, just to cool it down some more, like just a touch of hot water.
That'll melt it.
Really?
Yep.
It's like a marble. Did you listen to that?
I did. Go ahead, give it one more. Straight down.
Until it shatters.
Hard.
Until it shatters, I'm gonna.
Yeah.
Whoa, there you go. Awesome.
Okay, so it does shatter.